Hello everyone, my name is Shita Shrivastava. I'm a 4th year EEE student from VIT Chennai. I got selected in SAP as Associate Consultant working in the field of software design and development. Talking about SAP, it's a German multinational corporation that develops enterprise softwares for business operations and customer relation. The company is especially known for its ERP software. SAP came to our campus on 11th December 2020. There were a total of 5 rounds. First, there was a written round, which was followed by 2 technical interviews. Then there was a managerial round, and lastly, there was a HR round. Around 1600 plus students were shortlisted for the written round, and after all the procedures, 9 of the students, including me, got selected for the job role. So my basic preparation was from Geeks for Geeks, and I practiced my coding from HackerRank. And for learning and practicing aptitude, I'll suggest indiabix.com. And lastly, for studying the CS subjects, I referred from the material given in tutorials point, and I also watched various tutorials from YouTube on the subjects like OS, DBMS, computer networks. My general advice for placement preparation is that be clear with all the concepts that you are studying. You must develop basic problem solving ability in order to crack the placement process. So in order to enhance that, do try to solve 2 to 3 problems, competitive problems daily. And my basic mantra was that I cannot do anything about the output, but I can surely do everything about the input. So just try to give your 100%, because at the end of the day, whatever the result may be, if you will give your 100%, you will not feel any remorse or guilt that you could have done better than this or that in any way. And the last thing is that do not lose your patience. Patience is the key during placement time. So just be relaxed and be calm, be composed, and you'll surely be able to crack through any exam. So yeah, that. Now talking about the interesting part, the explanation of all the rounds. First, there was a written round. The written round was conducted on HackerRank. It consisted of around 10 MCQs and 2 programming questions. The total time duration of the test was 1 hour 30 minutes. The MCQs were all technical and were focused on the topics like data structure algorithm, code output questions, language based questions. And now coming to the programming section, one program was on dynamic programming, which was of medium hard level, and one program was on array manipulation, that was of medium level. And the test had a sectional cutoff, so it was important to do well in both the sections. And after this round, around 53 students were shortlisted for the interview rounds. So my first technical round was a code pair round that was conducted on HackerRank. My interviewer asked me to tell me about myself, and then he asked me to explain all the projects that I mentioned in my resume. So my first advice is that be thorough with all the projects and skills that you have mentioned in your resume. He asked me various technical questions related to the technologies that I have incorporated in my projects. And after that, he asked me how good my maths was, and we discussed a problem based on probability, which luckily I was able to answer at that point. So yeah, the duration of my first technical interview was around 30 minutes, and after this I got a mail that I have been selected for the second technical interview. So my second technical interview was conducted on Microsoft Teams. There were 2 interviewers this time. They asked me to introduce myself and then they asked about the technologies that I've used in my projects. So we had a brief discussion on that for a while, and then they gave me two puzzle problems. First problem was a variation of bridge crossing problem. I was able to solve 70% of the problem, and they gave me hint, after which I was able to solve the complete problem. And then the second problem was a sort of weight distribution puzzle problem. I was able to solve 90% of that problem. They again gave me hints and suggestions, after which I was able to solve the problem. So the interviewers do not try to see whether you are able to solve the whole problem by yourself. They are just checking whether you are able to think in a different way. They are just trying to test your approach at how you solve a problem. And then they asked me a question based on divide and conquer, which I was able to answer. They also asked me a trick coding question like print numbers from 1 to 100 without using any loops. So a basic recursion solution will suffice. They were satisfied with all my answers, and my second technical interview got concluded. And after 30 minutes of my second interview, I got a mail that I have been shortlisted for the managerial round. So during my second technical interview, my laptop died and I had to switch to my cell phone. So I gave my whole managerial round from my cell phone, which was a bit difficult to manage. So it was conducted on Microsoft Teams and it lasted for around 50 minutes. The interviewer asked me to introduce myself, and after hearing that I'm from EEE, he asked me a very important question that if you're from EEE, then why do you want to join a software company? So I would like to direct this question to all those non-CS students out there who are preparing for placements, that you must be very clear and precise with your answer, that why do you want to join a software company if you're not from CS branch. So after that, he gave me some real world problems and demanded technical solutions to solve those problems. He also wanted to check how well I'm updated with the current technologies that are presented in the market. So yeah, that was it. It was a bit tough to manage, but if you are very clear and calm, then you'll be able to crack this round. So 2 hours after my managerial round, I got a mail that I've been shortlisted for the HR round. This round lasted for around 15 minutes. The interviewer asked me about me, my family, about my hobbies. He also asked me how was the whole interview process. And then we played a rapid fire round in which he wanted to test how well I know about the company. And to be honest, I was just able to give the answer of 2 questions out of the 6 questions that he asked me. So just be clear and be thorough about the company. And after that, my interview got concluded, and the final result was that I got selected in S. So the tips that I want to share with my juniors are that don't just try to stick to your curriculum. Try to learn new skills, develop and innovate new projects that will help you in learning. And other than that, try to maintain a good CGPA, because that will help you in getting shortlisted in a good company. Because CGPAs play a vital role in the shortlisting procedure. So do try to maintain a decent CGPA, and ask your friends and seniors for help if you are ever stuck in a problem. And just try to enjoy your college life, make memories, be a bit lazy too. I know I was. So that was it. I wish you all luck for your future, and I hope that you all reach the pinnacle of success. So until we meet again, sayonara.